the cat coming in the chair behind you.
Oh.
There's two of them under there now.
Mom sees a bird on the bird feeder. She sees a blue jay.
Hmm.
You see that?
Yeah.
It's been a while since she's been outside.
So if you let her out in the backyard, will she just like take off someplace outside the yard?
Just can't risk it because
Huh?
she's prone to get pregnant right now again.
But could she? Is that what she'd do? Is go to somebody else's yard?
I don't know what she'll do, but it's too much of a risk. That's why she's inside.
I don't want you to.
She's gotten stuck in a tree before.
Oh, that's
overnight
right.
on cold.
Oh, that's right.
Cold night, yeah.
Forgot about that adventure.
Uh-oh.